Hello class, this is my final project for CIS 9467 Business Modeling with Spreadsheets. I created a financial statement analysis using Solver for Intercontinental Hotel, or IGH. Forgive me, I don't have a recording option on my laptop, so you'll have to bear with me with this handheld. First off, I would like to tell you all a little about information of Intercontinental Hotel. Intercontinental Hotel and Resorts is a global luxury hotel and resort brand that established more than 180 hotels located across the globe. Intercontinental Hotel was founded in 1946 by Juan Tripe with the help of the United States President Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Although the brand has a long history, the organization is fairly new and is a now rising star in the hotel luxury group, winning in 2014 the World Travel Award for the sixth consecutive year, and recently also won the award of Business Traveler. As a real estate auditor at BDO, I was able to audit one of their hotels. I used their financial information to perform a financial comparison analysis of the Intercontinental Hotel for the month of October 2015. And also, basically, I did this to determine the difference between profits from from the amount of rooms sold that optimizes company profits on a monthly basis. So as you can see, net operating profit income over here. And working with the IHG and the property manager, I was able to obtain financial information and organizational information. However, our agreed upon procedures with the client did not extend to the operational aspects of the hotel, such as the breakdown of how many and which hotel rooms were sold in the month. So they have 3 different types of rooms: king, standard, and suite. And I wasn't able to get that information. Therefore, not only did I prepare a financial statement comparison of 2014 to 2015, but also using Solver, I investigated a breakdown of the hotels sold during the month of October 2015. In the file, you will find a general information tab that summarizes the objective of the assignment and the hotel. As you can see in general info, similar to our assignments, I gave a little general property information about the hotel, location, the year, the number of rooms, and the area. The property tab also provides a brief outline about the property and its amenities. A financial comparison summary is shown in the tab 2014-2015 Financial Comparison. So this is a generalization of the room's revenue netted against the expenses to get the gross operating profit for department. And then there are more fixed, more general expenses such as G&A, advertisement, repairs and maintenance, utilities. As you can see, there's no other. And this is grouped by the departments. So it's more of a general comparison from 2014 to 2015. And this is, as you can see, the net operating income. And this is a little check I did to make sure I pulled all the right numbers. the percentages here basically tell me that rooms was 61% of the total revenue of the entire hotel. It's just so you could get some sort of proportion and basis for each item. And if you go to the 2014-2015 operating statements tab, it's more of let's see where it is, right next to it. This is more of a comparison by general ledger detail. So each individual account is compared to find all the percentage change, the percentage of difference, whether it increased or decreased by the signs. And so as you can see, this is revenue, rooms, food and beverage, other departmental expenses for rooms. These are all the expenses for rooms from 2014 to 2015. For food and beverage from 2014 to 2015. So as you can see, payroll is the highest costs for food and beverage, hence the chefs, all the payroll, other expenses such as IT systems. This is G&A, and these are all the accounts for G&A that this hotel uses. I also performed a financial monthly comparison as shown in the monthly summary, similar to the financial comparison over here, highlighted in green. The monthly summary is a more generalization of all the accounts. We have again revenue, expenses, the generals, the operating costs such as management, rental, insurance, property taxes, franchise assessments, which are majority of these, like management and franchise, are a percentage of gross revenue. So when we audit it, we make sure that they didn't expense more than they should have to the franchise. In the monthly operating statement tab, I compared by months in a more detailed manner. Same thing, similar to the 2014-2015 operating statements. It's by general account. And finally, in the product mix tab and the corresponding answer reports, I demonstrated the optimal net income attainable by the hotel with the 3 types of hotel rooms. And in the answer report tab, you could see my constraints, making sure that they're optimized so that I can get the best net income here. And also, as I mentioned before, I wasn't given a breakdown of the hotels, such as how many rooms were sold in the month of October. So current is month of October. I made the constraints so that I use solver so that I can make sure and get the king size, standard, and suite to the point where it matches their current October net income of 40,771.86. Thank you so much for your time.